Magandang araw mga busing. Kami nga po pala ang Carworks team. Kayo po ba ay may problema sa inyong sasakyan? Kalampag, lagutok, o matagtag na under chassis? O di naman kaya'y matigas, may tagas, o maingay na manibela? Ang aming team po ay handang magserbisyo sa inyo. Kami din po ay tumatanggap ng home service within Metro Manila area. Kami po ay nagbibenta ng iba't ibang under chassis at power steering parts tulad ng shock absorbers, lowering springs, tie rod, rock end, suspension arms, rubber lifters, electronic power steering, electronic shock absorbers, rubber bushings, coil springs, ball joints, cover stopper, engine support, stabilizer links at iba pa. Sa iba't ibang modelo ng sasakyan tulad ng Honda, Toyota, Mazda, Ford, BMW, Mitsubishi, Nissan, Chrysler, Hyundai, Suzuki, Mercedes-Benz, Chevrolet, Kia at Lexus. Carworks Under Chassis and Power Steering Specialist specializes on car under chassis and power steering repair. We have experienced mechanic to attend all your under chassis and power steering repair needs. We provide free check-up and estimate